If you're needing to glue something or do a repair, you're going to need an adhesive of sorts. Now often the choice is, what adhesive should I use? And if you're needing a strong fix, I would suggest using an epoxy. Now epoxies are usually a two-part mix, and once mixed, a reaction takes place and they start to harden and cure into a strong permanent bond. Regardless if you need to repair wood, steel, concrete, copper, or plastic, there's a mix and fix for you. This mix and fix range from Alcolin has made repairing even easier with the two parts already layered into the sticks. Simply cut off the amount required, mix in your hand until the color is uniform and apply. Now after mixing, it forms a water-resistant high-strength compound that can be molded into shape or simply used to glue parts together. They even have an underwater epoxy which can be applied underwater or to a wet surface. This is ideal for jacuzzis, boats, marine equipment, gutters, pipes, and even water tanks, but always read the instructions for best results. Working times vary from 2 to 25 minutes, and most of them will cure in 10 minutes. Once they have cured, they can be drilled, cut, sanded, and even painted. They can also withstand temperatures up to 149 degrees, and they will not crack, peel, or pull away. So, whether you're repairing a piece of furniture, securing a bolt, or patching a hole in a water tank, Alcolin has a solution for you. Now remember, all of these products are available at Builders, in-store or online at builders.co.za. And for more videos like this, check out the blog on the website. Get to Builders, get it done.